Hello guys, review Realme GT 6T, this version 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. Okay, open box, look completion, we have Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, 6000 nit ultra bright display, 120 watt super Vox charge, we have in completion the charger and 5500 mAh battery. Okay. Green color display. On the back side we have double camera. On the front side 6.78 inch display, supercharger in completion, and Type-C cable. And this we have protected back cover. Okay, turn on device. On this side power button, volume buttons, downside Type-C port without headphones jack device. Okay, open settings. About device we have Realme UI 5.0, Android 14. Results. GPU test results, very good results we have. Adreno 732. AnTuTu benchmark results look. 1 million, over 1 million, perfect, and PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level. Now I show you photos on the main camera, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.